Good morning, students. In this unit 2, we are having combinational mass logic circuits in the VLSI design. In this unit, we are going to see about the how to design using CMOS inverter, normal inverter, how to simplify the using the CMOS and some expression AND gate, NOR gate expressions are simplified using the CMOS in design and how to draw the stick diagram and layout diagram. All are those things are seen in the going to see the combinational mass logic circuits. First one, we are having two different families, circuit families. We are having the two different families. First one, static and dynamic. What is meant by static and what is meant by dynamic? What are the difference between the static and dynamic? First of all, static means we are giving same input to the PMOS and the NMOS. It is called static. Static means we are giving same input to both PMOS and the NMOS. Then it's called the static. If dynamic means we are giving different input to the PMOS and the NMOS. We are giving different input means it's called the dynamic. It's a main difference. Giving the input session, we are giving different between the static and dynamic. Static means same input is given to both PMOS and NMOS, or pull up and pull down network. These different inputs are giving the PMOS and NMOS in the dynamic structure, or pull up and pull down networks are having different input session means it's called the dynamic. One more thing, here in the CMOS design, maximum all all the time we are getting output from middle of the PMOS and the NMOS. That output session is in between the PMOS and the NMOS session. Then how to implement the bubble pushing using normal. If suppose we are using normal NAND gate is simplified using the NOR gate, and NAND is normal NOR is simplified using the NAND gate. Like bubble pushing means we are just pushing the bubbles in front of the gate, convert from NAND to NOR or NOR to NAND and AND to NOR. Like that we are using normal bubble pushing operation. Here we are having first one is NOR gate operation. We are giving it's a NOR gate, it's a OR gate, and we are giving bubble in the last session. So OR plus NOT, we are having NOR operation. How to convert using the AND gate means just pushing two bubbles in front of the input session. That means AND gate's input session means it's called the NOR gate operation. It's equal thing. It's a NOR and this NOR is almost the equal sessions, but structure is different from one another. Listen, suppose here we are having NOT gate means bubble pushing operation. We are not having the output session. We are not having the NOT gate operation. But here in this gate we are not giving the NOT gate in this operation means in the output session. Suppose we are converting that other gate, we are having the NOT gate operation. Just bubble pushing difference is same thing. Second one, it's a NAND gate. How it's a NAND means it's a AND gate, and then we are having the NOT gate. So NOT plus AND, which operation? NAND operation is followed. Then convert a NAND using OR gate means just pushing two bubbles in input session. We are connecting to the OR gate means it's equal operation to NAND session. Here NOT gate is appeared, then converted session we are not having the output NOT gate in the output session. Next, here it's a normal AND gate operation. It's converted into which gate? It's a OR gate. Just bubble pushing means normally we are having input session, both input session we are having bubbles in the converted session, but and is converted into OR, and then here we are not having the NOT gate. That's why in this session we are having the NOT gate. Then just like that, OR gate is converted into AND. How to convert it? It's a normal OR gate, then converted form. It's a bubble pushing form. So in input session we are having bubbles in the both input session. Then it will the AND gate, and then we are having the output session. It will act as a NOT gate also include in this session. How means in this OR gate we are not having a NOT gate. That's why here converted form we are having the NOT gate. Thank you, students.